Hopefully this is recording. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, and this might be a little bit weird because I'm using a new camera. I have been doing films on my iPhone, but I realized that the quality is not the greatest and it's hard to control lighting, and I did purchase like a mirrorless camera, and it was about time I did because I did need a camera, and I'm trying to see if it captures the video, but it's just I have them on the same tripod at two different levels, so I might be glancing here and I might be glancing there, so apologies for that. But anyway, today I got to visit the sale again, the Chanel sale, and I picked up some goodies that I saw previously, but actually no. I went to go pick up the sneakers that I was talking to you guys about in the last video. You'll be surprised at the choice I made, but that's what I went to go see, to go pick up. And while I was there, the sale was live, so they had all of the sale items on the shelf. So it, you know, whatever sizes were available were on the shelf, and then I started looking at some of the things that I tried on previously, and next thing you know, this happened, right? So it's a pretty big bag. It was heavy. I felt ridiculous walking out of there. So anyway, so today I had the morning off, and so I thought, you know, I'll run some errands. I had some shoes that I had given to repair, and I had to go pick those up anyway, but let's get straight to the unboxing. So I have the camellia on the front, and we'll start with the first box. So let's go with the sale item, okay, because that might be a little bit controversial. Here is the shoe box, okay, so it's a pair of shoes, okay. You've got the camellia on the front, so we're just gonna undo these. Now, I'm getting to a point now where I realize that sensible footwear is probably the best thing to invest in. So I saw these in the last time that I was there, and I think I inserted a modeling shot there, and I wasn't too sure about them. But so here is the, I guess, style code. I think it's better than looking at it in the iPhone. Okay, so here's the little care booklet that comes in there, and it tells you how to take care of the shoes, I guess. But they're going on the floor, so who cares? You've got 2 dust bags. Open up the box. Okay, so this might be controversial. You guys might not like these, but they were so comfortable. So they're a pair of loafers. Okay, don't come at me. I thought these were weird when I first saw them. They are made out of lambskin. They've got the quilting on the front and kind of like this Strauss CC logo, and smell like leather. So really, really nice, comfortable, sensible footwear and shoes. And these were in a size 40.5. I'm usually a size 40, but I tried the 40.5. And they fit really well. So these are it. I might regret this, I don't know, but my sister has something similar to these, but in all black. And originally I thought, okay, hey, she might like these, so I was gonna send her a photo, and then I didn't because I tried them on and I'm like, oh, these are actually really, really comfortable. Probably didn't work with the outfit that I was wearing. I was wearing socks with it, like the ones that they give them, so it kind of cut my calf off and it was kind of unflattering. But I'll try them on, and I'll insert a shot of me trying these on. They're pretty nice. Now I sent her a photo and she says she wants them. So I texted my sales associate and I asked him, you know, if they have any extras. I mean, I should probably move over this way because then I can insert a mod shot on that side. I asked him and I said, you know, do you have any more? So he'll probably get back to me tomorrow if there's a size 40. Otherwise I can ask my essay at Yorkdale or at the Holt Renfrew location if they have them, because I don't know if they're very popular, but I mean they're still classic. Like they've got like the beige and the black. Some people I see their shoe purchases are very horrendous and I'm like, well, why would you get that? And I think some people can choose certain things for a different reason, but I'm just sick and tired of uncomfortable shoes. These are really, really comfortable. Let me pull up the price on these. So I did have the whole receipt. So you've got the little, I don't know if the camera catches it. I don't know if it's any better than the iPhone, but from what I see from like the viewfinder, like it's a lot brighter and I can get a more of a wider shot versus the iPhone. I'm not as clear, but so these are called the moccasins or moccasins. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it moccasins? Loafers. And I'll insert the style code here because in my last video I had the tweed flats, and because, you know, as I explained, the sale wasn't live when I purchased it, so they couldn't give me an official receipt. They had to charge me on a gift card, and then when the sale goes live, they would redeem that gift card and then print me a receipt with the item code. So I didn't have the item code, and a lot of you asked me in the Facebook group, so I'm going to give you the item code here, and I'm also going to message whoever messaged me in Facebook, because a lot of people messaged me about those shoes, and I'll put that item code in there so it helps you guys out. So the Canadian retail price, but what do you guys think? Like, I think they're pretty nice. Like, I don't know, my sister really likes them, and if she wants them, she can have them. It's fine. She'll pay me for them. Obviously, she's not going to take them from free. She really likes them, so if they're not available in 40 even, then I'll just give them to her because she likes them, and it's hard for her to find shoes that, you know, are comfortable. She's a mom of 3, so, you know, that's fine. She can have them if she wants to. Next, oh, I got a spare box for my Mini. So actually I haven't uploaded that video yet. There is a video that I did film, and I'm going to refilm it, and I'll insert the original footage as a cutaway because the quality wasn't very good. So I think I'll do it again. And I'll just upload it because the iPhone quality just doesn't do it justice. I'm hoping that the camera works, but anyway, I got a new box because the box that I had, the writing on it was crooked, and yeah, I'm picky about that. Do you blame me, right? So he was kind enough to give me the box. The second pair, this is not a sale item, okay? So again, these were the sneakers, okay? So we're gonna open up the box. If you watched my last video, then you'll know what these are. But again, you've got the care booklet. You've got 2 dust bags, and we'll open up. So these are already placed on hold for me. This is the photo. I don't know if it focuses, but I think when I download this video, then I'll see what things I need to watch out for, because it's the first time I'm using this camera. So then I can use it, like I can troubleshoot as I go, whatever I need. So they are, right over here. So you've got these really nice with the laces. You've got the Chanel on the back. This little tag here reminds me of the little hanging signs outside of all the boutiques when you go to places like Paris, or like, we don't really have those here, but when you go to some of the street shops, they have, some of the Chanel boutiques, they have this like little black sign kind of hanging. So that reminded me of that, and I really like the laces, and they are very comfortable. So I went for the white. I do really still like the black, but not in my budget right now to buy 2 of the same pair. So maybe in the future, maybe if I can get them duty free, like that would be better, right? But I'll probably only save like about 200, so it's still up there, right? These are not on sale, but I'll insert the price because some of you are curious. And I'm not sure about US pricing, this is Canadian pricing, so that's that. I did see some really beautiful camellia flower thong sandals, and they were really nice. I can't remember how much they were, but if I get the information, I'll write it in. They are very pretty and neutral, but from what I remember, they were pretty expensive for what they were, and my feet are too wide to wear those. I wanted to go to the Hermes and Dior boutiques because there are some sales going on there as well, but I was in a bit of a hurry because I got a phone call from one of our, I guess family friends slash patients, and he had injured himself pretty badly at work and was miserable and couldn't move. So I got a phone call asking if I was in, because usually on Fridays I am in, and I said, and I'm like trying on shoes. So I asked him how he was doing, and I realized that he wasn't in good shape. So as soon as I was done, I just left. So I went to well, this bag was really heavy too, like it was enormous, and it was like flying everywhere, bumping into me, and yeah, like I parked at like the parking garage, and I'm carrying this enormous bag with me, so I didn't want to like leave it in the car and then like go off somewhere. Like that's like an easy target. That's kind of stupid, right? Like so I didn't do that. Plus, like, you know, if someone needs you, they kind of trust that you're gonna get them better. So then I came back and had him come in right away so I can treat him, and yeah, luckily he's feeling much better, which is good. But that means I couldn't take you with me to Dior or Hermes, so you know, maybe that will be another time, but otherwise I would have taken you with me. I got a lot of shots at Chanel. I was doing a lot of filming, and no one said anything, maybe because I was buying stuff, right? But no one said anything, and you know, the video footage was kind of helpful too because I shared it with you guys in like the Facebook group. There's a bunch. There's one for Canada, there's one around the whole world, there's one for the States, and you guys had commented and messaged me on Facebook saying thank you so much for posting those videos because we were able to get those products. So I'm happy that that helped you and you were able to get what you liked and you were able to snag a good deal. I had dropped off some shoes. There's a place downtown called Nick's Shoe Repair. I heard about it from Style Hard. I've heard that they do an amazing job with like designer shoes. So I'll show you what I got repaired. Okay, so my other or first pair of sensible designer shoes were loafers from Louis Vuitton. And I'll probably do a review of comfortable designer footwear because that is important. But they're the uppercase loafers. And I wish I took a photo of how the bottoms were, but I wore them a ton last year. I didn't expect that I was going to wear them so much. I put more weight on my left side, let's say, without getting too medical or scientific, but yes, we all have imbalances in our gait due to changes in your spine and the way you recruit muscles and all that stuff. This isn't a health channel, okay? This is a fashion channel. But I completely wore down the left side. But anyway, so he put soles on. So these are Vibram soles. So if you can see there, so there's soles here, and then he re-soled the heel. So at least now I can like wear them without feeling nervous that I'm going to damage them further. And these are actually very comfortable, so I'm very happy that I did that. The other pair I just took with me, I had a pair of Ferragamo sensible stiletto heels. They're very comfortable. I don't know what the style of these are, but if I read it off the shoebox, I'll let you guys know. But really, really nice. Very soft and comfortable, and the little, there's like a, I guess a 7cm stiletto there. And in our driveway we have like interlock, and one day last year I was in the wintertime, I was going out with my husband and my heel got stuck in one of the grooves of the interlock and the heel tip completely came out. So I checked the shoebox, I didn't have any spare heel tips, so I brought these to him and he just did both of them and they're good as new, and I'm so happy because these are very comfortable heels. When you want to look fancy but you want to be comfortable, these are really good. So he did those, and before I went to my appointment in Yorkville, I had showed him another pair of Dior shoes. Again, I wish I took a photo of this, but anyway, I don't know if you can tell, but these are the Dior slingbacks. I didn't even wear these enough, and then last summer my husband and I were going out to dinner and we were downtown and my heel got stuck in, you know, the little grills in the floor. There's a subway going underneath, so it got stuck and it completely like ripped this inner part off. So I asked him, I said, well, you know, is there anything I could do? And he basically said, you know what, let's just glue it back on. I would have done it myself, but I just trusted him because he's an expert and they do shoes all the time. So I don't know if you can tell or if it focuses. I'll try to get a shot in there. But anyway, so he made it good as new, and he didn't charge me for it, which was really nice of him. I asked him, I said, are you sure? And he's like, no, it's fine. So what did I pay for getting the Vibram soles and the heel tips put on? Was about $100, which is steep, but I mean, you know, you're trying to maintain these shoes, so hopefully I don't have to do that too often. I guess that's it. That's everything. This is actually shorter than I thought, but hopefully the modeling shots are really helpful for you. I know my outfit might not go with some of the shoes. Let me know what you think of the loafers. I hope they're okay. I hope I made the right decision, otherwise my sister's gonna take them off my hands. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe down below. It would really be super encouraging for me to do more of these, and I know that, you know, I love watching unboxings, and I know if you're here too, you enjoy that as well. Stay tuned, you won't be disappointed, there's more content coming. Bye.